Spacious water view home now for sale in Meadowfield Sub Division in Yulee, Florida. No CDD or maintenance fees. Home is extremely well maintained with updates inside and out over the past year, such as painting inside and out, replacing ceiling fans, light fixtures, updating the landscaping and more. Master bedroom offers sitting area and has a sliding glass door to the backyard. The master bath offers a garden tub with separate shower and private toilet area. Enjoy the pond with wildlife views from your screened-in porch or on the back deck where there is plenty of shade provided. Backyard is completely fenced with white vinyl fencing and the gates have key locks. Irrigation system in front and back. Home offers a propane fireplace to kick back and enjoy in the colder months for just to relax. Roof was replaced in 2016. This property is just minutes from Amelia Island, JAX Airport, various military bases, the Georgia state line.